we learned that we are the future of our country. We have this great responsibility to run our country forward.
Mm-hmm. And by doing which things you
And the
can,
poem of this, mm,
by doing what you can make your country feel proud.
sir, with education.
Only with education?
No, sir. Many things that I don't know.
Correct. So see, it is not only for the education, like people have different talents. Now you can enhance any talent you have and you can make the good future for our country. Sports, arts, activities, music, different things are there for which you can make our country feel proud. Okay, so good to know that you all are very well versed with whatever you are learning. Now, people, we started the new poem yesterday. I think I started the explanation. Yes or no? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So what am I saying is we have we have started understanding the new poem yesterday. Yes or no? I think I'm not audible. Let me check
Sir,
on
you
my.
are audible.
Then why you people are not answering here? If there is an error or anything, you can just share the problem. I thought there is a network issue that's why the people are silent.
No, sir. You started written hard words.
So we have not started with the explanation part of poem 11.
Sir, but no one is answering, and I'm not there in yesterday. Like,
You were not there. Okay, okay, okay. So Hassan, let us make everyone count absent other than you because it is of no use. The people who are not answering, they are equal to silent. They are equal to absent for me. Absent means
Sir, I am
absent,
answering.
totally absent in my lecture. After 1 hour, or after calling 10 times, because I remember where have I stopped, but I don't want to start it by myself. That is the reason why I'm asking the question. Otherwise, I'm not mad. So, Hassan, please call out the name one by one. We should remove them if they don't know the answer, because simply we don't need the extra things here.
okay, sir. Mm, sir, Shafiq.
Faryani Mohammed Shafiq, please answer, otherwise, we will have to count you absent, unfortunately.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for speaking. Now, tell me, in the poem the Marog is from which planet? I repeat my question. In the poem, the Marog is from which planet? In the yesterday's lecture, you were present, Shafiq. You were present.
Yes, sir. Because my home is my mama or
mommy is coming no.
I
So
don't want to listen any. I don't want to listen any excuse. No excuse. No excuse. You were listening the lecture. You were also answering me in the lecture. You were talking with me in the lecture. So your concentration was there in the lecture. Excuses will never get result. Hassan, call out answer name. Accordingly, I will put the internal marks as you will answer.
okay, sir. Can I say this answer?
Yes.
Sir, from Mars.
Sir from Mars. No, sir is from the Earth.
The marrow.
Okay. Fine. Call out answer name.
Yes, sir. Mm. Raj Musani.
I think he was not there in the previous lecture. Let me see the sheet is there. Another name.
Yes, sir. Hmm. Sarfaraz Dasadia.
Lasadia Mohammed says.
Yes, sir.
So, how many fingers and toes Marog was having?
How many fingers? Sir, I don't know.
You were there in the previous lecture, no?
No, sir, I was not there.
You were not there.
No.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Hassan, call out on the name.
Yes, sir. OP Gamer, Farhan Ali Merchant.
He was also not there because he did not give me the answer.
Okay, sir. Topic Islam.
Tawfiq Islam.
Yes, sir.
Tawfiq Islam, your question is how many
Sir, this is
fingers
Farhan
and
Ali Merchant.
Content.
I think he called Tawfiq Islam. Where is Tawfiq Islam? Okay, these all people are absent. Yes, Hassan, another name.
Yes, sir. Arman Gori. Arman Gori.
Okay, absent. Then next,
Yes, sir. Samira Ghayal.
Yes, sir.
Z. Z, how many fingers and how many toes Marog was having? How many fingers and how many toes Marog was having? No, sir, directly give me the answer. Come on. Where is Ahad?
Yes, sir. 1 minute. Yes, sir. Is that.
Sir, I
Yeah,
don't
but he
know.
should answer. No? Zed, you don't know? You were not there in the previous lecture? Where is Ragib?
Sir, can I say?
Sir, Agib also is there.
Yes, sir, here.
Okay. So, yesterday Ragib said that I know everything about this poem. So, Ragib, you know everything about this poem, then tell me how many fingers and toes Marog was having?
70.
Hello. Is his voice breaking?
Yes, sir. His voice is breaking.
What?
Oh God. Your voice is breaking a lot as usual. Okay. So we shall start with the third paragraph, third stanza, because first two stanzas we have already done in the previous lecture, in which Marog says that Marog is sitting in the last bench of the class, and Marog is living the life with the human being as they live. He also goes to school. Marog is an alien. Still, he goes to school. He's sitting in the last bench, and Marog says that if the students will see that the alien is sitting, they will shout, they will scream, they will get afraid. And then Marok also gives the description. He is having 17 toes and fingers. Then he says that his nose is deep blue, his hair is purple, bright purple. His teeth is half red and half yellow. So these all description how his appearance is given in the second stanza. So first two stanzas we have completed. Now coming on to the third stanza. Hassan, I think these people are not interested and few people were absent. So I will only give chance to the interested people and the absent people. So I think Seth said that he was absent. He
Sir,
did
I
not
had
get the chance
given.
yesterday.
Sir, in I had given the answer of my question.
Yeah, but your voice is breaking. I know that you have given the answer and you spoke something like 7 7, but your voice is breaking.
Sir, sir, see the chat box. I had written answer.
Yeah, then I will have to come that side and read, but I will do that, no problem. And Asan, whenever someone writes in the chat box, please tell me so that I will be able to,
Yes,
know what they
sir.
have done. Anyways, Saf, you did not get the chance yesterday. You were absent. Please read first two lines.
Yes, sir. Arms are silver and spikes. Knives on them sharper than spars.
Okay,
Return.
wait. My five arms are silver and spiked, with knives on them sharper than spears. Now, do you know what is the meaning of spiked? Where is my marker? See, here I want to show you one picture. First of all, again, so I will just bring book near the camera. You people say yes or no. You can see or not. Okay, one side. I adjust my focus. Can you see the photo, the picture of Marog?
Yes.
Sir.
So,
Sir,
so arms means see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Five arms are there. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
And he is looking like Hassan, right?
No.
Okay. Basically, he is having five arms: 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And he says that he is having sharp, knives. See, his fingers are sharp like a knife. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So Merok basically says that my five arms are silver and spiked. That means his arms are silver in the color and spiked means sharp. Yes, sharp. His fingers were not like us. Okay. His fingers were sharp like a knife. Okay, how many of you have seen knife? Mom cuts the vegetables with knife. Have you seen
Yes, sir,
knife?
Hassan. Yes, sir, Hassan. See the knife.
Okay. So you people have seen the knife because your mom uses this in the kitchen, right? To cut the vegetables, fruits, and many different things for the chopping purpose. So he says that his fingers on his arms are like a knife. Why? Because he said it is spiked, it is spike pointed. So with knives on them sharper than spears. Now what do you mean by spears? Can you tell me? What do you mean by spears? Sharper than spears. That means here his fingers are compared with spears. But you should know what is the meaning of spears. Rakib, what do you mean by spears? You can type the message if your voice is breaking.
Sorry, is not there.
No problem. Do anyone can answer this? What do you mean by spears? Can anyone? See, I will draw one object here. You will have to understand. Have you seen this kind of instrument, this kind of weapon? What
Yes,
is
sir.
this?
Missile,
Oh God.
rocket, rocket. Sir, rocket.
No. Okay, let me clear this. Let me clear this. Let me make it. See, my drawing is not very good, but I'm trying to do my level best. See, in the olden times, kings and the soldiers used this kind of big stick with the pointed spear.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, so this is
Yes.
the weapon. Weapon. So Marok says that his fingers are sharper than the spears. So just can you imagine that how much dangerous he is? He is saying that by these lines, he is describing that how much dangerous he is. Silver arms and then pointed fingers, and fingers are very pointed. Means he doesn't say finger. He says that they are the knives. He considered his finger as knives. Okay, who will read these two lines?
Sir, Asan?
Yes.
Yes, sir. I could go back right now if I like and return in a million light years.
Okay. So here the Marog says that he can go back to the Mars. Okay, people, you know where the Mars is? How far is the Mars from the Earth?
Sir, so far.
Let me draw one thing. This is Sun. We can say this is the orbit. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, and eight. One more. Eight planets are there. Yes. So first, which planet is there near the sun? Hmm. First, which
Mars,
planet is there? No. First, Mercury is there. Then, which planet is there? Seth.
Yes, sir.
First is Mercury. Second is
Mm, Second is Mars.
this is
Night.
Mercury, Venus, and third is which planet?
Sir,
Earth.
Mars.
Third is Earth,
Earth.
and fourth is
Sir, Mars.
Fourth is Mars. Yes, fourth is Mars. So just next to Earth is the Mars. Okay, but obviously very far. It is not just next to, like, it is not like the next house. I just drew this so that you can understand. Okay. Now Maroff says that I could go back right now if I like to. That dash is there. That means I like to go. So he says that if I want, I can go back to the Mars just within few minutes and return in a million light years. Now, what do you mean by light years? That means if you travel in the speed of light. Now, what will be the speed of light? Have you seen that laser light? Laser
Yes, sir.
light, student.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
You just press that button and the light is zoom there. Can you
Yes.
even see like this? Can you even see like this? No, before that light is there, right? So that is the speed of light. Now he says that if I travel with the speed of light, I will return back in the million years. Even if he is traveling with the speed of light, he will return in the million years. So basically, he says that he will not die. He can live for the million of years. Okay, any doubts in this correct in this stanza?
No, sir. Sir,
No,
Someone is
spear,
asking. First tell me your name.
sir, Hassan. Sir,
Hmm.
spears means pointed thing, no?
Spears means not exactly what I drew, but it is somewhat like weapon, pointed thing, but specifically weapon,
Okay.
because it was first it was used as a weapon.
Okay, sir.
Because spears, if it is spear, then that spear shape, spherical shape. But this is, I think, a weapon. But I do not have the projector, otherwise I would have displayed every single thing on the board, right? And I
Sir,
will make sure
that sir, that in old fight that use no that thing object is called bhala.
that in Gujarati, yes, I knew that. And even the game is there. We used to play in our school a game, javelin throw. So that Bala is almost, taller than me in the size.
Sir,
Okay.
that sir
What
that again we throw the object not that.
what happened? That again?
Sir, you said that a game.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. Okay. Now I shall ask you questions first of all. Mohammed Reza Nayani.
Yes, sir.
Mohammed Reza Nayani.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I want to ask you one question. Here, Marog has how many hands?
In
Marog
marathon,
has Marog. Marog has
yes, sir.
how many hands?
How many hands?
Yeah, how many hands? How many arms? Just now in this stanza it was written.
Two.
Can I share one more, sir?
Yes, Arman, you can.
Six,
Sir,
six,
nine
six, sir.
hands
How
and
many
five
hands?
eyes.
No, five eyes is right. But how many hands?
Six.
Six. So you saw the picture. I displayed it in front of screen. I brought my book. Still you are saying six. Shall I give
sir,
it to
can I,
you 10 times to write?
sir, can I say Priyan and Shafiq?
Yes.
Sir, five hands and five eyes.
Very good. Five hands means five arms and five eyes. Okay, Mohammad Rizanayani, tell me, Marog has how many fingers? How many fingers he has?
Sir, can I say?
25. 25.
Yes, you can say.
Sir, can I say? Sir,
Yes,
can I
Ragib.
say?
Yes, sir, Arman Gori, sir.
Yes, Arman.
Sir, 8 fingers.
Eight. Sir, eight. No, not eight.
Sir,
No,
can
no,
I
sir,
repeat
sir.
the question?
Yes,
17.
yes, speak.
Sir, can I say Nasiragi Vasant?
Sir,
Sir,
can I
Yes.
say
17.
Faryani Shafiq? Sir, can I say
Wait.
Faryani Shafiq?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Shafiq. Yes, yes, Ragib, I can hear.
Sir, 25 fingers. Sir,
Sir,
can I
can I
say
say?
Muhammad
Sir,
Nasir?
Yes,
can say
Ragib.
fingers.
Sir, 17.
Sir, 17.
No, sir, the
17
fingers and
fingers.
toes are 17.
No,
Sir,
Sir, finger
25.
17.
Okay. So basically, Marog has five arms, like we have two. He has five arms and 17 fingers and toes. This is what Marog says because he is an alien. So that is possible. Now, next stanza. Before that, one more question. Uh, I will just ask the question. Whoever wants to answer will directly give me the answer. Okay. So question is, with what thing Marog is comparing his fingers?
oh, from speedies.
Spears.
Yes, spears.
And Marog says his fingers are what?
Sharpener, sharp,
Sharpener like
sharper,
spikes.
sharper than,
Mhm.
sharper than
Sharper
spears.
than spikes.
No, no. His fingers are
Spikes.
what?
His
Uh,
fingers are spikes.
oh, knife, knife.
No,
No, sir,
nine,
knife.
nine. Because he has not mentioned that these are the fingers. He directly says that knives,
Yes,
right?
yes.
Okay. Ragib, can you read first three lines?
Yes, sir. I could gobble them all, for I am 7 foot tall. What? And I am breathing green flame from my ears.
Okay. Now, very bad. Ragib, you are breathing from your ears? Very bad.
No, sir. I'm human being. I'm not
You
alien.
say
I
that.
listen. I listen with my
You
ears.
say that.
I breathe with my nose. I'm just reading.
But you said you said that I am 7 feet tall. You are not 7 feet tall. You are shorter than me.
Yes, sir. You are 7 feet tall.
No, I am not even 6 feet. I don't know. I have never measured. Okay. So here man says that I could gobble them all. All means whom?
All the
Sir,
students
they're
that's
students.
sitting in the class.
Yes. All the students sitting in the class, he says that I can gobble. Gobble means to eat
Eat.
something without chewing it. To eat something without chewing. When you eat like
Sir, like fellow.
to swallow something. But that is the same thing. When you don't chew anything. So I need to explain them that when you don't chew, usually snakes swallow the food, right? You might have seen in Discovery Channel, Discovery Science, many channels, Animal Planet. These all are the channels in which you can see the snakes how they eat, and then for 1 or 2 months they don't eat. They just swallow. Even snake can swallow the animals who are double than the size than the snake. So same Marok says that I can just gobble the students, I can eat. And he says that he is how many feet tall?
17.
What?
So sorry, 7,
17
7.
feet.
No, sir, 7.
7 feet. So he says that he is 7 foot tall. Okay. And I am breathing green flames from my ears. So again, I want to show you one picture. See how bad Marog is. Okay, let me focus the picture. Can you see the green flames, students, from his ears? Everyone, can you see the green flames?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Why all are not answering?
Yes.
See, green flame. This is his ear. How bad it is looking. And the students are sitting. They don't know that Marog is behind them. Let me focus my. Okay. So this is how he says that I am breathing the green flames from the ears. From his ears you can see green. Okay. How many of you have seen dinosaurs? In a cartoon, obviously. Not in the real life.
Yes.
Because they are not there.
Yes, sir, son.
Only Hassan has seen dinosaurs.
Yes, sir. Safe.
Okay. So, dinosaurs take out the fire from their mouth, flame from their mouth, red flame. I think
Yes,
from the
yes.
nose, from the nose, from the nose they take out. Similarly, Marok says I take out the green flame from the ears. But that is very bad. Wouldn't they yell if they knew? Yell means to shout, to scream. Okay. To shout obviously loudly. So when you shout loudly, you say he's yelling. So Manok says that wouldn't they yell if they knew? That means if the students will turn back and look at me, they will see how bad I am, how but dangerous I am. Will they not shout if they knew that I'm sitting on the last bench? If they guessed that a Marog was here, ha ha, they haven't a clue, or they would tremble in fear. Now Marok says that they don't even have the idea that in this class of the students, one alien is also sitting there, 7 feet tall alien, who is very dangerous, who is having the knife like a fingers. And if they knew what will happen, they will tremble. Tremble means, when you do any mistake and then you stand in front of your father or mother, you shake like this with the fear. So that is called trembling. You shake, you shiver. Yes, you shake your hands like this. So this happens when you are very much afraid of something, especially when you are standing like this and your friend comes from the back and says, "Oh," so you shake, you tremble in the fear, right? So this is what Mara says that if they will see, they will turn back and they will see that Mara is sitting, they will start trembling. Okay. So any doubts in this stanza, please ask me if you have. Otherwise, I will ask you the questions.
Sir,
Yes, Hassan.
sir, in fourth line, would they yell if they knew means yell?
Yell means scream, scream loudly, shout loudly. This is what I said. The Marok says that if they knew that I am sitting on the last bench, will not they shout? Yes, anyone, any doubt?
Sir,
No,
yell,
Okay.
sir.
yell means
Sir,
no.
Wait. Lakwi said yes, sir. Yes, Lakwi. What doubt do you have?
Sir, I said no, sir.
You said yes, sir.
No, sir, I said no, sir.
Okay, as you say. Now, people, repeat this stanza with me. You have to repeat this stanza one by one, line by line. You will repeat after me. Turn on the mic, everyone, and together you have to read. And sit at the silent place, please. And everyone will repeat. Everyone will repeat. I will watch the recording second time and I will see how many of you are repeating. I could
Okay,
gobble them
sir.
all,
I could gobble.
I could gobble them all.
I could common gobo.
for I am 7 foot tall.
For I
For
am
I
7 foot tall.
am
For I am
7 foot tall.
And I am breathing
And I
And
am
I am
breathing
breathing
green flames from my
green
ears.
flames from my
green
ears.
flames
green
from
flames
my
from my
ears.
ears. From my ears.
Wouldn't they yell if they knew?
Wouldn't
Wouldn't they
they
yell if they
well
knew?
Wouldn't they
if
yell
you
if they knew? They knew.
If they guessed
If
if
they
they
guess
get
If they guessed
that, that a Marog was here,
that
that
a
a
that a
marrow
marrow
was
marrow
was
here.
was
here,
here, here.
ha,
Ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha
they
ha.
uh,
they haven't a clue.
they
They
haven't
haven't a
They haven't
clue.
a clue.
Or they would tremble in fear.
Or
or
they
they
would
would
tremble in
tremble in
fear.
fear.
Number in fear.
Okay, now before moving further, please everyone mute your mic. Seth, will you tell me what is the exact time?
Yes, sir. 9:27.
Great. So today we will keep till here. Now in the next lecture, the last stanza is left for the poem. I will try to show you the poem, the reading part of this in the projector so that we will be able to see even the pictures, necessary pictures related to the poem. And so it will be very much helpful for you to understand again and recall whatever we have understood in the explanation part. Now, for the next lecture, you have to be prepared for the questions and please make sure that if you remain absent, you give me the message in the WhatsApp that for what reason are you remaining absent. And if you will say that I was absent and you have not sent me the message, I will say that I'm helpless. I will not help you out unless you want to do that. So please stay connected and watch all the lectures. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Have a nice
Have
day.
a nice
Bye.
day.
Bye, sir.
And
Have
and
a
Bye,
and
sir.
uh, and wear mask everywhere, please. Goodbye.
yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Bye, sir.
Nice day, sir. That's it.